Today I am going to show you how to install an exhaust bathroom fan when you are finishing your basement. As you can see, the pipes are installed between the joist, and now I'll show you from the beginning what I did. Here is the fan. I just want to make some initial measurements to where the fan should sit within the bathroom ceiling. So I made some quick measurements here, and so that the pipes, when the pipes are installed, like they end up exactly where the fan is. And here is the hole that I dug through the basement wall that leads to the outside. As you can see, the insulation has been removed and there is a small hole that was drilled. The insulation foam will be reinstalled after I put the pipe. Here's the pilot hole from the outside. Now all I have to do is to measure 4 inches disc, and I will cut around that disc using some cutting tools. Here is the disc that I made. I will just cut the siding first. This video was sped up about 3 times. Now this video is sped up about 8 times, just to make sure to show you that this cut was not an easy one. It's actually, you're cutting through a 2-inch wood here, and there you go. You cut that down. And once you're done, just take that piece out, and I'll show you now where the hole leads. It leads all the way to the bathroom light, as you can see, between the joists of the basement. Okay, now these are the pipes. I got those from my neighbor. You can actually choose to have cheaper ones, like there's ones that are flexible and easy to use with, but I got those for free and I said I will use them. And they are easy to install and they are very, very sturdy pipes. Okay, so now I installed them, as you can see, and I attached them together with some tapping screws, and I made sure that they are secure and safe here all the way to the bathroom, over the joist and the soffit, between the joists and over the soffits. Here's the 4-inch diameter. I need to install this ending, and I'm going to make sure that this opening is the bottom so that to drain the water if water leaks in. Okay, just quick measurement here so that I can cut the rest of the siding. This video also has been sped up. Alright, I'm cutting the siding now so that the end product fits well over the pipe. Okay, this is just a quick install here. After I secure it, I also have to bolt it and make sure that it is glued to the pipe. And of course you have to put some caulk around it to make sure that water does not go inside the pipe. And now I'm securing the pipes more, making sure that they're not moving at all. And as you can see, here is the end where the opening is. Again, I want to make sure that this is still secured and sturdy. Here is the fan. The fan has not been installed correctly yet. I just want to make sure that the pipe reaches it very well. Then I will put the ending for the pipe that comes with the fan, and I will slide the pipe over the fan. Now the fan is with the pipe are connected. I will secure the fan and make sure that it is bolted to the joist. Alright, now we have a nice fan installed and the pipes are secured. Everything's good, and I just have to make sure that the level of the end, the pipe, is not actually exactly leveled, so that if water leaks in, it drains away from the house. So that's not a good situation here. I have to change it a little bit, so I put another piece of wood to lift it up, and now it is actually tilted away from the house. So if water leaks in, it goes away. And here's the ending product. This is the fan away from where the heating is, and all the way go behind those dry walls and behind the wall, between the wall and the dry wall and the ceiling, all the way outside the house. This is the end of, this is how the basement looks like at the end. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.